Hello, we've got a math problem for you. It's an algebra problem where we want to solve for two variables, x and y. And we have two equations. It's 2x plus 3y equals 12 and 4x minus y equals 5. And again, we want to solve for x and y. If you'd like to pause the video here, we'll come back and work it out together. All right, so for the solution, the way we're going to approach it here is we're going to go ahead and solve for y in the second equation. So if we look back at that second equation, 4x minus 5, 4x minus y equals 5, and we will solve it for y, we're going to end up with y equals 4x minus 5. All we're doing is isolating the y on one side. All right, and then step number 2, we want to substitute that y back into the first equation. And so we said that y was equal to 4x minus 5 right here. So in the first equation, which was 2x plus 3y equals 12, we're just substituting 4x minus 5 for y. And so when we do that, now we're just going to have an equation in terms of x. So we're left with 2x plus 12x because 3 times 4x is 12x, and then the 3 times the minus 5 would give us minus 15, and then that equals 12. All right, so to further simplify it, we can add 2x and 12x, which gives us 14x. Then we can add 15 on both sides of the equation, which basically cancels it out from this side. But the 12 plus 15 gives you 27 on the right side, which leaves us with 14x equals 27. And then we divide both sides by 14, leaving x equals 27 fourteenths. So hopefully you've gotten x equals 27 over 14 so far. Step number 3, we can substitute that value of x back in and solve for y, which then gives us y equals 4x minus 5. And then again, we substituted the 27 over 14 for x, which then, if we go ahead and multiply this out, 4 times 27, we're going to get 108 over 14. All right. And then what we're doing here is we're we want to add these fractions together, right? Now, we have 108 over 14, but then we have this minus 5 here. So how can we represent minus 5 in terms of a fraction that is divided by with a 14 in the denominator? Well, we know that 14 times 5 is 70, right? 70 divided by 14, or 70 fourteenths, would be equal to 5. So we're substituting this minus 5 with minus 70 over 14. And then if you remember how you can combine fractions, you can add, subtract fractions as long as the denominators are the same. So both of these have 14 in the denominator. So all we have to do now is look at the numerator and say, well, 108 minus 70 leaves us with 38 in the numerator, still over the denominator of 14. 38 fourteenths further reduces to 19 over 7, or 19 sevenths. And that's because we can easily look at this and realize we can divide the top by 2, the bottom by 2, and that leaves us with 19 sevenths. So that's that we have this fraction reduced here. So y would be equal to 19 over 7. So that leaves us with our final answer of x equals 27 fourteenths and y equals 19 sevenths. So hopefully you got this correct answer. If not, feel free to pause, go back, take a look at it again, and see where you might have gone wrong. And hopefully this has been helpful. If so, please like, share, subscribe, and Hope to see you in another video. Thank you.